back to my channel. My name is Cathy Borrero, aka Cosambella. This is the second episode for Quarenflip, and we're going to do something very easy. The only thing that you need are 2 t-shirts and bleach. Bueno, comencemos. Start by cutting the t-shirt at the center, from bottom to the neckline like I show on the video. Our end result must be something like this. After that, we turn our clothes inside out, and when we start pinning, make sure that the good sides are both facing each other so we can start sewing. If you make this tutorial, tag me on Instagram at Cosambella or hashtag Cosambella, whatever you prefer. I just want to see your results. Si te gusta este video, porfa, déjame un like o dímelo en los comentarios, me encantaría hablar con ustedes. We want to make sure that the neckline starts precisely where the other one finishes. Okay, one t-shirt is longer than the other one, so there is this little thing hanging there and it bothers me, so now we're going to stitch it together like I'm showing you right now. If you are enjoying this video, please leave a comment, like or subscribe to my channel. Okay, never mind. So, you want to check everything, the middle part, the back part, and of course the neckline. I'm doing this outside. Belgium has finally good weather, but it's over already. It's snowing right now. So now you just have fun with it. Now, don't forget your back side because I almost forgot. Quedó una cosa bella.